Oh, that do me something spiritual. Something spiritual. Oh, that do me something spiritual. She do me something. See what you got.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're working with Yolissa hair, and the wig I picked out is their 22-inch 180 density water wave wig. I'm just showing you guys what came in my box: the wig cap, elastic band, and then the silk bag that I use to store my wigs. I really love that they include these. And then I'm also showing you guys what the hair looked like straight out the box. The curls are really soft and bouncy, and I was really able to run my fingers through it. I love this wig because I really didn't have to do much to it. It was already pre-plucked, and it comes with an elastic band, and there's combs inside, so this is a really well made wig. This just makes my job really easy because this is only my second time trying to put on a frontal by myself. So I always start off with my Amon powder in dark 3, and I just put that on the inside of my wig using an old makeup brush, and then I'm just slipping the wig on just to show you guys what it looks like before I start doing things to it. So I clip my hair back, and then I'm gonna start cutting off the lace. Last time I did this, I tried to glue it down like how the other girls do on YouTube and then cut the lace, but that's really hard for me and my edges are all over the place, so I just prefer to cut the lace first. And I was just following the pattern of the wig and kind of my hairline. It's just hard to follow my hairline because my edges come out really far, but trust me guys, this wig is gonna end up looking so bomb. Like, I've been wearing this wig for the past 2 weeks and I haven't had any issues. So what you see me doing is just taking some more powder and putting it on the edges. And now I'm using my Got To Be spray to try and lay down the front part of the wig, but like, this spray always gives me trouble. Like, what, like, huh? But I'm still working with it, and I'm just trying to place the wig on my head where I want it to be. And then I'm gonna take my blow dryer, and I always use like my hand first to try and get it to stick, and then I'll take the comb and like press it into my skin just to try and make it blend better. And then when I move on to the sides, I like to use the glue and the spray because like I feel like the glue makes it like hold better, I found. And then I'll take the blow dryer again and blow dry that and hold it, and then use the comb to press it in, and just like repeat that process all the way around my head until like the whole wig is laid down. And then just talking more about the hair, like, I found that I really like this hair. I haven't worn curly hair in about 3 years, so this was like a really interesting video for me to like do. I was really excited to see what this hair looked like on me, and I must say I've been loving it. And I'm gonna be trying to do more versatile looks because I feel like I always do body wave, and I don't want to be like super boring always reviewing body wave hair. And since I'm still laying down my wig, like guys, this process does take time. You need to make sure you take your time so it can look natural and you're not walking outside looking crazy. But let me plug myself real quick, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be having a 12 days of Christmas, and I'm gonna be trying to do giveaways a couple of times, so make sure you subscribe and don't miss that. And also, if you want to come back for more hair videos. But after I've laid down my wig, it's time for my baby hedges. And these always take me forever, but I just like pick and choose where I want some edges to be and try and make them as thin as possible. The problem I had in the past was I was making them too thick on my closure wigs, but making them thinner makes the wig look so much more natural. And I'm just going to be taking some mousse to lay down my baby hair, and I've sped this part up quite a lot because it does take me a bit of time. I usually just try and use the hair to hide like the line and like my real edges because they come out so far, and you might be saying like the edges of my hair like close to my ear doesn't look all the way laid down, and it's not, but I kind of use my edges to hide that because I'm only going to the movies, so it doesn't need to be super perfect today. But I just work with my edges until they look natural and how I like them. And then after that, you just take any scarf you have at home and wrap that around your edges. And then I do my makeup. I just finished my makeup. I just took off the scarf, and I'm just basically right now trying to decide if I want to do middle part or if I want to do side. And I was originally going to try for the wet look with this, but I don't really feel like I want to do that. I feel like for this outfit that I'm wearing, this black two-piece, I like this side part, and I like it messy like this. I have to also add my Soft Focus powder by Black Radiance. Beep. And I've just come to interject at this point in time because I just want to let you guys know that powder is like the best tip I have for those of us that are working with lace. You guys see that I don't bleach my knots. I only use powder foundation in the beginning and then this powder at the end to really like blend my mistakes and have the hairline look natural. So I really recommend you doing this, which is why I'm saying this now. So yeah, I'm gonna use that and put it where the lace is. And right now I can see like where my sideburns are, like it's kind of lifting. I could go back and glue that down, but I don't really care to do that right now. Because it's not going to show up in pictures, and I'm just going to the movies. I'm not going like for a night out, so it's not that serious, and I think that it still looks okay. Alright, so this is how the hair turned out. I think I really like this a lot. I was gonna do like a part down the middle and like pluck it a little bit, or a part in the side and pluck it, but I think I like it like this. And I really like this hair. I feel like with water it's gonna do so well. This is water wave, so it definitely should. And I haven't worn curly hair in about 2 years, so I'm super impressed, and I'm excited to literally rock this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every single one of you, and this hair is literally so paying. Like each time I put it on, I just get better and better at melting it, and y'all can see like the hair looks so good. And I'm just showing you guys different snaps of me wearing the hair. These are all different times, and each time the hair looks so good, y'all. Like this hair works so well with water and mousse. I'm telling y'all, like this hair is really bomb. But just make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. That's where I post videos like this, put you guys on a new music, and talk to you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my 12 days of Christmas. And thank you guys again, and I love you so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.